up, YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. And I'm going to Disney in a few weeks, so I thought today would be a good day to share with you all the beautiful fireworks display from Epcot back in 2018, because as you know right now, if you go to Disney, you're not going to see fireworks. They want to bring the fireworks shows back to Disney sometime in the spring, I believe, of 2021, but if you've been recently, you've seen no fireworks. So I just wanted to bring a fireworks display to you right now. Beautiful fireworks display, best one I've ever seen. This is at Epcot 2018. Let's go. Enjoyed this video, and I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification if you did, and help us to continue to make great travel content. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.